If you want to have a bigger forearm at home, this video is for you. You don't need any sports equipment to perform these exercises. The exercises are very easy and simple. Repeat with me right now. The first exercise. Open and close your hands completely. Try to use all the muscles in your hand. If you are new, you can start with a slower speed and there is no problem at all. Do this exercise for 30 seconds. The second exercise. Try to move your wrist to the vein like I did. Repeating this exercise is very easy and will make your forearms big and attractive. It is enough to do this exercise for 30 seconds. You can help me a lot with just one click and like. Please like the video. The third exercise. Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? This exercise is very similar to riding a motorcycle. It's very easy, just try it. In this exercise, you raise and lower your wrists. You can do this exercise for up to 1 minute. The fourth exercise. Remember the previous exercise. It is exactly the opposite of the previous exercise. You just need to move your wrist up and down like me. So easily. Of course, it may be easy, but these exercises are very important for muscle growth. You can do this exercise for up to 1 minute. The fifth exercise. In this exercise, you make a fist and with the help of your wrist, you make regular movements towards the face and body. Just as quickly, all exercises without equipment at home. And very comfortable and easy. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.